Hey, Gabriel, Luke's got your stones.
Gabriel, move those. Go, 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 go. Those are big no-nos.
No. No. No.
The other bread or the other bread?
That was a little overdone.
Allie,
What?
you're
You're fine, Luke. You're good.
rolled in the garlic bread.
I'll take the garlic bread because I want to like it still.
I'm letting them cool off. I have got to get the dishes out, so you have to be patient.
Show us how you talk, Luke. Say bop, 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 bop. Ba, 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 ba. You got it.
Let me get the dishes put in the dishwasher though, please. Oh, we need saran wrap.
Oh, look at that. What? Why are you crying? Lukey, why are you crying?
Because he wants the rock.
You can't have the rocks. You can have the truck. Am I supposed to chase you with it? Is that the point?
No, taking a picture.
I'm not taking a picture. I'm recording.
What got you up from under the table?
I was wondering where he went.
Silly boy. Oh, you want your hat? You want to be fireman? There you go.
Yay! Fireman, I need you. Put out my fire.
Put out my fire.
Come on, baby, light my fire. Come on, baby, light my fire.
Here's, this is yours.
Oh, I forgot you had that movie. It's going back under the table.
Don't let him. No.